It's High Winds Casino's 15th anniversary, and we're celebrating all month long with $500 cash hot seat drawings every Friday and Saturday night in June. That's $15,000 in cash prizes every weekend. Just be actively playing with your red card and listen for your name to be called as a winner. High Winds Casino is your place for food, fun, and casual awesomeness. Visit highwindscasino.com for details on all of our promotions, and be sure to follow High Winds on Facebook for even more ways to win. High Winds Casino, just east of Miami on Highway 10.